Hello everyone, welcome to GlitchSip, and in this video, I'm going to show you how we can spawn the Warden on the surface of Minecraft. For this, what we're going to have to do is use a command, the summon command. This command will allow us to generate the Warden anywhere we want on the surface of Minecraft. So let's do it. In this case, I'm going to stand right here. Now we open the chat, we type summon, and we choose Warden. And as you can see, the Warden has already been spawned. This is the only way in which it can appear on the surface. Why? Because if we try using the items that are found in the Warden's lair, we're going to test it right here. And I'm even going to test it in survival mode. We're going to see that it's not going to appear, because no matter how much we obtain these items artificially, there is no real way to make it appear. We're going to place this here. We're also going to add what would be the other items, the other objects. We remove this here, and now we place this, the catalyst, this here, this here, this here, this here, and this here. What normally happens in the Warden's lair is that if we get close and make noise, it will detect us and it will appear. Even if I switch to survival mode, game mode survival, we're going to see that absolutely nothing happens. No matter how much noise I make inside this place, the Warden is not going to appear. So the only way in which we are going to be able to make the Warden appear is with that command that I showed you a moment ago. And, well, that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one here on GlitchSip.